Have you ever stopped to think about the inner workings of your business phone system? That seamless call you made to a client across the state, or that crystal clear video conference with your overseas team. It all seems so effortless. But behind the scenes, a complex network of technologies is ensuring those connections happen smoothly. Today, we're diving into one specific aspect of that network, the carriers that RingCentral partners with to deliver its communication magic. That's right, RingCentral itself isn't a phone company in the traditional sense. They provide the platform, the brains of the operation, but they rely on established telecom giants to handle the actual legwork of transmitting your calls and data. So, which carriers are we talking about? Buckle up, because it's not just one name. RingCentral boasts a global network, which means they partner with a variety of carriers depending on your location. This allows them to offer extensive coverage and cater to specific regional needs. Think of it like having a network of local experts, each familiar with the specific landscape to ensure your calls get through loud and clear. Now, revealing the exact list of partners gets a bit technical, but some of the industry's biggest names are likely involved. We're talking major players like Verizon, AT&T, BT, and Vodafone. These companies have the infrastructure and experience to handle the massive call volume that RingCentral generates. But why all this carrier juggling? Why not just pick one and stick with it? Well, there are a few reasons. Firstly, competition breeds innovation. By partnering with multiple carriers, RingCentral can ensure they're getting the best possible rates and the most cutting-edge technology. Each carrier brings its own strengths to the table, allowing RingCentral to offer a well-rounded service. Secondly, redundancy is key. If one carrier experiences an outage in a particular region, RingCentral can reroute calls and data through another carrier, minimizing disruption for your business. It's like having a backup plan, ensuring your communication lifeline stays connected. Thirdly, there's the whole global network thing again. Remember, RingCentral caters to businesses of all sizes, and some have international operations. By partnering with carriers across the globe, RingCentral can provide seamless connectivity no matter where your team members are located. This is especially crucial in today's increasingly interconnected business world. Now, some of you might be wondering, what if I already have a carrier I'm happy with? Well, RingCentral offers a feature called Bring Your Own Carrier, BYOC. This allows you to leverage your existing phone service plan with the features and functionality of RingCentral's communication platform. It's a win-win situation. You keep your familiar carrier and gain access to RingCentral's powerful tools. So, there you have it. The world of RingCentral carriers, demystified. It's a complex dance behind the scenes, but it all boils down to one thing: ensuring your business communications are smooth, reliable, and reach every corner of the globe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those connections strong.